Good morning children. Class 10, we are continuing chapter 5, that is arithmetic progression, and exercise 5.2. We are doing already question number up to 3 we have solved it, and today we have to start question number 4. So what is the question given? You see here, which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18, is 78. So what is the question given? Which term of the AP means already given, this is an AP, where the first term is A 3, D is equal to 8 minus 3 5, and question asks which term is 78. Which term is 78? We don't know. It may be 4th term, it may be 5th term, it may be 11th term, it may be 100th term, it may be 200th term. So how we have to find? It would be 100 or 150 or whatever may be. How we find? So we have to take let nth term is 78. That means let nth term is 78 means we have to calculate the value of n. Whatever will become the value of n, so that term is 78. Understanding? So what we have to take? Which term of the AP 78? Which term? Now we have to take let the nth term is 78. All of you understood? Okay. I have written the same thing here. You see the answer. Given given 3, 8, 13, 18 are in AP already given. Here A is equal to 3 first term, D is equal to second minus first, 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Let nth term of the AP 78. I have written here. What I have told you, the same thing I have written here. Let nth term of the AP 78. So if the nth term is 78, so what is the formula for nth term? Formula for nth term is same as the general formula. That is AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So I have written here, you see, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to 78. Is equal to 72, why I have written? That because I have taken let the nth term of the AP 78. So nth term is 78 means AN 78. And this is the formula of N. That implies what is A? A is equal to 3 plus N minus 1. N value we don't know, we have to find the value of N. N minus 1 into D. D is equal to here 5 is equal to 78. So that implies, you see here this is plus 3. If we go to that side, it will be minus 3. So N minus 1 into 5, N minus 5 is equal to 78 minus 3 is equal to 75. So that implies N minus 1 is equal to 75 by 5. And you know 5 1 ja 5, 2 5, 5 5 ja. So this is becoming 15. Okay. So N minus 1 is equal to 15. So that implies what will be N? N will be 15 plus 1. In minus 1 will go to that side. So 15 plus 1 how much? 16. So N is equal to 16. Answer 16 term of the AP 78. This is the answer. Now the question is our answer is correct? Yes or no? It may be wrong. So we have to check it. How to check? Now you see 16 term of the AP 78 we have got N 16. So what is the formula for 16 term? Just like the n term is N plus N is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So 16 term will be A plus 16 minus 1 into D. So that implies A value is 3 plus 16 minus 1 15 into D is 5. Now 3 plus 15 5 is 75. 75 plus 3 is 78. So coming on answer 78 again. So that therefore your answer that 16 term is 78. It is correct. I think all of you have understood.